Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to show you the basics of how to set up a document for essay writing. We want to check our page setup and make sure our margins are 1 inch all around. That should be the default in Google Docs, so we're all good there. We also want to give ourselves an MLA header. So name, teacher's name, class, as well as the hour, and then the date with this kind of strange formatting of day, then month, then year. We also want to make sure that we are in Times New Roman font, 12 point, and that our entire document is going to be double-spaced. So now from this point onwards, we should be able to just hit space once and start typing. Now we know that we need to hit tab for each paragraph, so we're not hitting the space bar there, we're hitting the tab key on the top left of your keyboard. Also, our title needs to be centered, so we're going to come up here to the top of the page and center it. And then finally, we need to make sure to add our last name and page number to all subsequent pages after the first. So we're going to go to Insert, Header and Page Number, then select Page Number. It's important to select that and not Header so that this formats correctly. And then we're going to select this first one. And you can see it's already telling you it's going to pre-paginate this for you. Make sure that it's giving you an advanced page number on each subsequent page. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And then our page number box opens up here on the top of the screen. Now, unfortunately, you can see that it's defaulting to Arial 11 again. So we're going to switch that to times 12. And then we should, if we make sure we have additional pages here, it should pop up and give me the correct page number. Now, when I click up there, I have the option to select different first page. I want to do that because I don't want anything to appear up here. Sometimes it'll just delete it all for you immediately if there's anything up here, as it did here when I selected it. Sometimes you have to go up here and manually delete, but basically you're going to delete all this stuff on the first page. Then you're going to scroll down to your second page, and before the number, you're going to put your last name and a space. And all of that is saved automatically because Google Docs are awesome. And then we also want to title our document. Now, English 9 essay is not a very useful title to you or to me because you're going to have a lot of English 9 essays. So I suggest giving it something more specific. I like to title things with the class I'm using them for and then the thing. So if I were you, I would title this something like Ing 9 Bildungsroman essay. That works well. Or you can do English 9 Catcher essay. And that way it's easy for you to find what class it was for. If you search for it later, you'll be able to find it. If you title everything English 9 essay and then you go to search for them later, it's really hard to find the specific thing you have in mind without clicking into each individual document, because without looking at it, you can't tell what it is. So, English 9 Catcher essay, then it's searchable and easy to find.